Hey everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to lock a folding closet slash pantry door really quickly and easily. So, into the hardware store. I just picked up one of these Simpson ties. I got one of these too. And I was like, this would work. I'd have to cut this part off, but I got this one too just to see if it would work, and it's a little bit wider than the doors. It's the standard 2x4. Usually most closet doors are like 1 inch and 3/4 or something like that, so they're a little bit narrower than a 2x4. So that left me room to put get some padding here. Let's see. So I was just gonna put a couple of these little felt pads on one side, and then this is the kids. There's some medicine and stuff in the closet, and the little one was getting in there and climbing and stuff. So this, just putting a couple felt pads in there on one side, and then I got some of these self-clear bumpers on the other side, so it doesn't mess up the door at all, hopefully. So I'm just going to put the felt on one side and then these clear bumpers on the other side. And I'm going to see if this is going to be too wide for the door. I don't think so, but we're going to double check. I can always take them off if it is. Okay, so just put those felt on one and the bumpers on the other. Then just come to your door here, you open it, so it folds out, and then I'm going to put the felt on the outer side and the bumper on the inner side there. Okay, so I don't know how smooth this is going to be. Okay, so it moves pretty easily still. Oh, I think. Come on, little fella. Okay. So that might be a little bit tight. I think I'm gonna take the bumpers off the one side. I thought it would glide a little bit smoother than that, but it's not. So I'm just gonna take them, because I thought it would just kind of glide along there, but it's not. So I'm gonna take those off. Okay, and just keep this felt on the one side. Not too worried about. Okay, so let's put it in there. Close the door then. And then just take your finger, run it past the gap there. It's sitting right there. And when you go to open the door, it's not gonna open. You can see I'm trying to open it here. And it's not happening. So you know what I'm actually thinking? No, that won't work. I was thinking you could do the same thing along the bottom as well if you wanted to. Just put one of those along the bottom, and the little kid might not be able to figure out why it's not opening. But this one is definitely going to work. So it's just Simpson tie and a couple felt tabs. And you just slide it with your finger. You can open the door. And even if you have a really narrow gap up there by the door, I don't have much of a gap. It's probably only less than 1/4 of an inch. Even if it's pretty tight up there, that's still going to fit in there. This is only less than 1/8 of an inch wide. So fits under there nice. And it's super easy to put on there. Just open the door, put it on there, close it, slide it over with a finger at the little gap you might, and just slide it so it's about midway. You're good to go. A little kid's not going to be able to open that. They can reef on it all day long. It's not opening. So there you go. Hope that helps you guys out there. Sometimes I was thinking about building a bracket across here and putting, all that, and I was like, no, you know what, this would be really easy. So yeah, give that a shot. Like I said, I could have gone with this wider Simpson tie and just cut this part off right here, and then it would have given me more width, I guess. But I bought this other one that was there at the hardware store, and I wasn't sure if it was going to be long enough to make sure it didn't open, but yeah, it works great. So, and I just put the little felt tabs on there so it didn't mess up the paint or anything on the door. I'm not really concerned about the back side of the door. I could put felt back there too, probably, if you wanted to. But okay, anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. A cheap and easy way to lock a folding closet, cupboard door, whatever. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.